What's up, everyone? If you're about to start your first cloud engineering job or you're aiming to land one soon, this video is for you. Today, I'm breaking down the biggest mistakes I see new cloud engineers make and how you can avoid them. These are the pitfalls that can slow down your growth, hurt your reputation, or even get you stuck in your career. I've worked with a lot of new engineers and I've seen these mistakes play out over and over. If you can dodge these, you'll set yourself up for a much smoother ride and a much faster journey to success. Let's get into it. One of the biggest mistakes new cloud engineers make is treating everything like a technical problem and forgetting about the business impact. It's easy to get caught up in optimizing resources, tweaking configurations, or trying new services. But if you don't understand what those systems actually do for the business, you can accidentally break something critical or cause a major outage. Before you touch anything in production, always ask, what business function does this serve? Who relies on it? What happens if it goes down or slows down? When are critical usage periods? Mapping technical components to business outcomes is what separates a good engineer from a great one. Remember, you're not just managing infrastructure, you're enabling business capabilities. Another common trap is over-engineering. New engineers often want to show off their technical skills, so they build complex solutions when a simple one would do. You might be tempted to use the latest tools, set up multi-layered architectures, or automate everything from day one. But if your solution is too complicated, it becomes hard to maintain, troubleshoot, or hand off to others. Always start with the simplest solution that meets the requirements. Ask yourself, what is the minimum viable solution? Can I solve this with existing tools? Will others be able to understand and maintain this? The best engineers are masters at finding elegant, simple solutions to complex problems. Don't build a rocket ship when all you need is a bicycle. When things go wrong, and they will, communication is just as important as technical skills. A lot of new engineers make the mistake of jumping in and fixing things without telling anyone what they're doing. This creates chaos, especially during high-pressure incidents. Other team members might be working on different theories, managers are left in the dark, and stakeholders have no idea what's happening. During incidents, always communicate your actions in the incident channel. Explain what you're investigating, what changes you're making, and why. Get approval before making changes to production systems, and update stakeholders regularly. Use clear, non-technical language when talking to business teams. Instead of saying investigating DNS resolution issues, say checking why the website can't connect to our servers. Good communication skills build trust and keeps everyone aligned, especially when the pressure is on. Cloud engineering is a team sport. Focusing only on your technical work and ignoring relationships with other teams is a big mistake. You'll need help from security, networking, development, and operations teams all the time. If you haven't built relationships, your requests might get ignored or delayed. You'll also miss out on learning from people with different expertise. Take the time to introduce yourself, understand what other teams do, and offer help when you can. Attend cross-team meetings, participate in knowledge sharing, and build genuine professional relationships. Knowing who to talk to and having them know you makes your job easier and your projects more successful. A lot of new engineers focus only on technical skills and ignore soft skills like communication, leadership, and business acumen. You might be great at building cloud infrastructure, but if you can't explain your work, present to stakeholders, or mentor others, you'll hit a ceiling really fast. Work on communicating technical concepts to non-technical audiences. Practice writing clear documentation and giving presentations. Learn the basics of project management and business strategy. Take opportunities to mentor others or lead small projects. As you move up in your career, soft skills become even more important than technical skills. Companies promote people who can bridge the gap between tech and business, lead teams, and represent the engineering organization effectively. So, to recap, here are the biggest mistakes to avoid in your first cloud job. Don't ignore the business impact of your technical decisions. Keep your solutions as simple as possible. Don't over-engineer. Communicate clearly and frequently, especially during incidents. Build relationships across teams, not just within your own. Develop your soft skills alongside your technical skills. If you can avoid these pitfalls, you'll stand out as a cloud engineer who not only knows the tech, but also knows how to work with people and drive real business value. Everyone makes mistakes when they're starting out, but the key is to learn from them and keep improving. The engineers who avoid these pitfalls are the ones who get promoted quickly and build successful long-term careers. What mistakes have you seen or experienced in your tech journey? Drop them in the comments below. We can all learn from each other. And if this helped you, hit the like button and subscribe for more real-world cloud career advice. Remember, it's not about being perfect. It's about learning, growing, and helping others along the way. I'll catch you in the next one.